This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Carol Robinson. Come home to the mountains in this comfortable chalet with corner gas log fireplace to enjoy the cool evenings. Nice sized master bedroom and laundry room on main level with shelving and cabinets. Upstairs you will find 2 additional bedrooms and a nice sized bathroom. The basement has a large room west/gas log fireplace, great for overflow guests, game room, additional living area. A full bath and 1-car garage complete the inside. Outside is a circular driveway that goes all around the back of the house, large gazebo for outdoor entertaining, and a large separate shed. Nicely landscaped, and a wrap-around porch. Back porch is screened with ceiling fans to enjoy the seasonal mountain views. For more information, review the details below.